Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the rear bumper of a BMW X5 G05. First, ensure you have a trim removal kit and a Torx T20 screwdriver ready. Begin by opening your tailgate. You'll see two small plastic covers. Carefully pry these off. Underneath each cover, you will find a Torx T20 screw. Unscrew both of these to start the process. Next, move to the rear wheel arches. You'll need to remove 3 10mm bolts from each fender liner. Once these are out, gently pull back the liner to reveal additional hidden fasteners. Then, get under the vehicle. Look for 4 8mm bolts along the bottom edge of the bumper. Remove these to further loosen the bumper from the chassis. Now it's time to disconnect any electrical connectors. These typically power lights or sensors, so be gentle when unplugging them. With all fasteners removed and electrical connections free, carefully begin to pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It should release from its clips with a firm but gentle tug. Make sure you have a soft surface, like a blanket, ready to place the bumper on to avoid scratches. Reinstalling your BMW X5 G05 rear bumper is simply the reverse of these steps. Carefully align the bumper, ensuring all clips engage properly, and then reattach all bolts and electrical connectors. Double-check every fastener to ensure everything is secure for your safety. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important, especially after a DIY project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.